I really want to show you what this Constellation system does for the acoustics at Clinton Frame. CSD set this up for us. I'm on talking setting right now. With one push of a button, we go to singing. And if we really want to get crazy, we hit the very long setting for 4 seconds of reverb. Push the talking button, and we're back to a perfect room for the pastor to speak. In the back room, here's a series of processors. The Constellation system works using a series of microphones hanging from the ceiling and these small speakers mounted all around the room and on the ceiling. The processors are in the back room. The mics pick up the sounds from the congregation, from the stage, from the worship team, running through the processors and back out all of these speakers. That's the Constellation system installed by CSD.